Hey, welcome back to our channel. Here we are going to learn about which one is better as virtual whiteboard, Miro versus Figjam. Subscribe and let us explore together. Let us begin now. Digital whiteboarding applications like Figjam and Miro significantly simplify the work of designers, UX researchers, and strategists by enabling remote teams to ideate and collaborate effectively online. The market for these tools is rapidly expanding due to the growing need for digital environments that facilitate teamwork. The recent introduction of Figjam has sparked discussions about its potential to compete with Miro, a dominant force in the industry. Figjam is a product of Figma, renowned for being the leading software in app UI design worldwide. Figma, established in 2015, boasts a user base exceeding 4 million, including major tech players like Twitter, Slack, and Dropbox. According to Apptopia, Figma sees approximately 82,377 app downloads per month, with its user community steadily growing. On the other hand, Miro stands as a heavyweight in the whiteboarding sector, serving over 35 million users and counting nearly all Fortune 100 companies among its clients. Since its inception in 2011, Miro has expanded significantly with offices in Tokyo, Berlin, Paris, and New York, contributing to its global presence. Miro's journey began a decade earlier than Figma's. Its founder, Andrei Kosid, identified the necessity for his design agency to communicate ideas with clients situated far from their office. The initial digital whiteboard, initially named Real-Time Board, gained popularity and underwent rebranding to become the rawest visual collaboration platform known today as Miro. Key features include sticky notes with built-in connectors, drawing tools, timers, voting stamps, audio conversations, and a variety of templates, making them invaluable tools for research, ideation, and client workshops. While Miro and Figjam share many functionalities, they also possess distinct competitive factors that set them apart from each other. Usability. Miro offers a more extensive range of features due to its longer history compared to Figjam. With more feature, however, comes a potentially more complex interface. Despite this, Miro effectively manages complexity by emphasizing essential functionalities and hiding less frequently used options, maintaining a clean and uncluttered whiteboard. Initially, Miro might overwhelm less tech-savvy users, as navigating its controls can be challenging, leading some to spend more time learning to use it than collaborating. To mitigate this, we begin product design workshops with clients using Miro by providing a quick tutorial on basic tasks such as using sticky notes, adding text, voting on ideas, and navigating the board when lost. In contrast, Figjam resembles a minimalist version of Miro's MVP. Its interface is exceptionally straightforward yet powerful. The bottom toolbar incorporates skeuomorphic elements, such as tools that resemble real-life objects like pens and sticky notes, making it intuitive for users to access necessary features. A clear visual hierarchy ensures seamless navigation across the board. In terms of pricing, the number speaks volumes. Figjam emerges as the more cost-effective option for team and organization plans. Specifically, Figjam is more than 3 times cheaper than Miro for team plans and 4 times cheaper for organization plans. Regarding design workflow, one standout feature of Figjam is its seamless integration with Figma libraries. As you develop a design system and publish libraries containing reusable interface elements like buttons, inputs, toasts, and pop-ups, Figjam automatically incorporates these into its functionality. Another significant benefit of using Figjam is its capability to serve as a centralized hub for storing workshop outputs, research findings, and UI design files all within a single platform. This integration not only streamlines workflow but also enhances collaboration by keeping all relevant materials easily accessible and organized. In contrast, exporting projects from Miro has been traditionally associated with challenges. Users often need to navigate through menus to find the export functions and sometimes encounter additional steps such as unlocking specific words or resizing them to facilitate the export process. This complexity in exporting can lead to inefficiencies and delays in sharing work externally, contrasting with Figma's straightforward approach to file management and sharing. And there you have it. Thanks for watching videos on our channel. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content and exploration. See you in the next video.